Hey guys, so I'm just gonna be fixing the screen of this. I managed to crack the screen as I was just being clumsy. So I've got a new screen here. So I'm gonna do screws here. Now let me just check. Alright, that's done for all the screws, I believe. Yep. Now let's just open it. Okay. No. So there you go. Let's just open this first. Yep. Just be really careful, as the clips inside is very delicate. Okay. So here we go. Opening it now. So it's this clip here. There you go. That is out. It's the camera here. Now we'll have to separate the display with it, with the main cover. So one screw is here. That's all I can see for now. Let me just double check. Put this here. So just here, you can see the display is in here, and this is the cover. So just have to separate this. Okay, so while separating it, you have to be really careful. I have separated it. So there's this tiny bit of glue here, like a double-sided tape. So this is the one that was broken. Give it a bit of good wipe, because there will be glass pieces and it's being sticky. So I'm just gonna do a quick wipey of this. Make sure you get rid of all the glass pieces. As you can see, there's a bit of glass piece. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a bit of glass, tiny glass pieces all around. So just gotta get rid of it first. Okay, so that's the cover there. I'm just gonna put in the new display. That's the new one. So this cable has to go through this here, and it will just sit like that. But before you do that, you have to put in a bit of glue. I'm just gonna use super glue because I don't have the normal glue which you actually use. Not too much. I'm just using a skewer to put that on. You don't need a lot. Just be careful you don't put the glue, whichever glue you use, you don't put it everywhere. Okay, so before you screw it on, what I actually do is actually want to test it, but usually you don't do that. You just gotta be really careful. But I just want to test it just to double sure, because I don't really want to close it and then open it again and stuff. Okay, so there you go. It works perfectly fine. Alright, so I'm just gonna switch it off again. Okay, it's taking a bit of a while. I'm just gonna disconnect the battery. So that's done. Now it's time for the end thing, which is putting the screws back in. And this thing I just hate. But before I do that, I did take out one piece which I've really forgotten to put it back in. That's why I said always make sure before you screw it on that you've got everything sussed out. Okay, so I took this piece out, which is for the lanyard. It actually goes and comes out from the other side. It won't go through here, just put it in through the side. There you go. So I'm just gonna put that screw in. Just have to change this thing. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm just checking. Yep, all good. So putting this back in. All right, that's connected. I'm just gonna double check again. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment, and I'll be sure to answer those comments for you guys. And if you need any more tutorials, I've just done this. I don't have any qualifications in doing repairing stuff. I haven't done any course, any studies or anything, but I do know my stuff. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just gotta know what you have to do. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. And if you need any more other tutorials, I've got a few other devices. And if I do have anything of that, yes, I do have only Apple, because I use... sorry, I don't have any Apple, I use only Samsung. I'm not an Apple fan. Okay? So drop a comment, leave a like. So yeah, drop a comment, leave a like, and be sure to subscribe and follow me. And like my videos and follow me. There you go, guys. Bye.